Hey, what's up guys, it's Technology Help back here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to make you an expert in audio editing. Today we are going to work with a software called Audacity. It is a very popular and a free software which you can use for editing audio files. Today we are going to use it for editing recording files, which you can see that the recording which you make for YouTube videos or any sort of tutorials or anything where you are giving a speech or anything which is related to sound recording of a person. Today we'll be learning how can we edit it in Audacity and make it sound somewhat professional. If you want to edit audio songs, which are the songs which you can download from the internet and adjust them according to your feels, the bass, treble and the equalizers, then just let me know down in the comments. I'll surely come up with a video on that very soon. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to download Audacity software on your system. In case you don't have it, download link is down in the description box. You can just go and check it out. Once installed, you just need to simply open Audacity. The best thing about this software is that it is absolutely free of cost. Once the software opens, you will find this window on your screen. So just go to File and Open in case you are going to open an existing sound recording. Otherwise, you can start recording your voice in this software itself with this button, which is Record. So let's make a small clip. Silence in the first part to capture the background noise. Stop. So this is our sound recording. This part is the empty area which includes the background noise, and this is the main part which concludes all the vocals. So let's just trim it down to the length that we actually need. So simply bring the cursor to the end and then just select the area which you don't want and then simply hit the delete button on your keyboard. Now you can just zoom it into the timeline so that you are easy to work. So now the first thing that we need to do in audio editing is to reduce the background noise. You can see these parts I am not speaking anything, but still there is a bit of noise. The reason is just because I have kept all my windows open so that the background noise can come into the room and then get into the software. So just select the part which has the noise, go to Effect and just find Noise Reduction. Out there just click on Get Noise Profile. Now hold Ctrl A on your keyboard, which stands for Select All. Go to Effect, Noise Reduction and just click on OK. The first step selected the part which is called the noise of the audio, and the second step removed that noise from the audio file. Now the second thing that we are going to do is to add a bit of equalizer so that our sound becomes a little better. So just go to Effects and find Equalization. Select the curve, Bass Boost, select OK. Now just go to Effect once again, Equalization, and then select Treble Boost and just hit OK. The bass boost and treble boost for the audio files are done. In case your voice is too loud or too low, if it is loud, it is gonna reach out of these lines, it will like touch the borders, and if it is too low, then you will see small sound waves. In case, you can just play it back once and then see if your voice is cracking or not. In case your voice is cracking or it is too low, you can just go to Effect, go to Amplify. By default, this level will be set to 0. So the adjustment is really simple. In case your voice is too loud, so you need to take it in minus and compress your voice. And if your voice is too low, you can just take it towards the positive side and then make your voice louder. In case you are going to positive, you need to allow clipping and then just click OK. So in my case, I'll be bringing it a little bit down because my voice cracks through the microphone. It will be good about 1.7, minus 1.7 actually, and then just click on OK. And there it has been suppressed, the voice has gone down. Now the sound will not be cracking anymore during the playback. Now we'll move on to the next effect which we are gonna apply is change pitch. In case your voice is too deep or too high, then you can just adjust your pitch of the voice through this place. By default, the percentage will be set to 0, so you can just take it to about 4 or 5% change. So I'll be taking it 5% and then just click on OK, and there the voice has been edited. So we have adjusted the pitch. Now an optional feature which you might use or you might not use, it's up to you. Just go to bass and treble and adjust the treble of your voice or the bass which you want in your sound to be, and then the decibels of the voice which you want the actual audio quality to depend on. Adjust it a little bit, not too much, and then just click on apply. You can just apply each and every setting and then simply take a playback and then just make out if that setting is actually making your sound good or not. So these are the few effects, these are the basic ones. I have not gone into an advanced level since we are going to use it just for basic editings, so this is absolutely perfect for our needs. Once the audio editing is done, you can just go to File and then click on the Export button and choose the format which you are comfortable with. Usually people select MP3. On the desktop, let this file remain to be edited and then just click on Save. You can adjust the quality, try to keep it as high as possible, like 320 kbps, and then just click on Save. So that's it, our audio file has been exported. This is the one which we have edited. Now let me just go back to the first part where we created the audio file without any editings. Pressing Ctrl Z on my keyboard, I am back to the first part of the audio recording, which is the raw file which we recorded live. So let's export the raw file. And there we are. Let's just minimize Audacity. This is the file which we have edited in Audacity, and this is the raw file. Let me just play it back, then you guys can make out whether the raw file is sounding good or the edited one. Silence in the first part to capture the background noise. Silence in the first part to capture the background noise. So these were the samples, the raw one and the edited one. If you go carefully and in a bit more deep detail, then you can actually make out that there is a lot of background noise in this one while it is not present in the edited one, and the sound quality of the edited audio track is actually better as compared to the raw file. So you saw that how can we edit audio files in Audacity and make our recordings sound professional as the edited one sounds just like that with these some simple settings. So that's it for this video. Hope you found this useful and interesting. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as we keep on coming up with such awesome videos every week. Thanks for watching.